Is it possible to combat human-induced climate change? Global warming, possibly a natural process, is caused by four main greenhouse gases: carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, and nitrous oxide. These gases absorb and emit solar radiation regularly and leave the atmosphere from 10 to 200 years. And human activity is the main cause for the Earth's rapid change in temperature. The heating of the Earth is having a huge effect on our weather and climate. Warmer air can hold more water, so more precipitation is expected throughout the world. This causes more flooding and ice caps to melt. By this happening, the effects are likely to continue and become worse due to humans exacerbating the situations because of their continuous contribution to global warming. By the sea levels rising, storm surges will be stronger along with hurricanes. These trends will create persistently dry conditions, which can increase the likelihood of wildfires, which can cause major heat waves. Polar bears, penguins, birds and turtles are all being affected by global warming. Losing their habitats and corals are being destroyed due to acidic water. Animals are moving closer to the poles, and birds are migrating and arriving at nesting grounds earlier because it suits them best. By this happening, the extinction of animals and plants will occur mainly due to the rise in sea levels. Turtles are massively affected by the rise in sea levels. By just a change of 50 centimeters in water, turtles are losing their nest in beaches, so aren't able to produce more eggs. We can help, but it's the question of why aren't we helping? We need to be turning off taps. By turning off taps while brushing your teeth, within a month you could save 200 gallons of water. We need to frown upon waste because it causes huge issues environmentally and economically. We also need to stop wasting electricity on devices that aren't being used. Just by switching them off or unplugging them, you're able to make a substantial difference in energy consumption. All these problems need to be highlighted in schools massively, so children are able to make a change for the future. New technologies are unfortunately much harder to commercialize. We need to combat deforestation. We need to advertise more efficient technologies, especially those that create energy. This does lead to further problems, which is that we need to use sustainable and renewable energy sources, because these problems have the same solution. We need to use our brains and get the government involved. These companies need subsidies, which is a sum of money granted by a state or public body to help an industry or business help the price of a commodity or service low. So these companies are able to fund for the technologies that will help save our planet. By getting the government involved, we'll be able to make renewable and sustainable energy sources a must-have in all houses and businesses. We need to take action and save our planet. We are the future, and if we do nothing now, then no one else will. Time is still ticking.